Hi, Stacey Hall here, creator of the Lighthouse Path, a way for you to feel really good about making more sales, enjoying more satisfaction, and achieving more success because it helps you turn the light on so that you are the shining, brilliant lighthouse that you are meant to be instead of a burnt out searchlight looking for people to serve and wondering why nobody's paying attention to you. In today's session, what I'd like to share with you about is that out of sync feeling. When we feel off, that's actually when the power switch is off. We just can't tap in to the place where we feel powerfully brilliant. And there's a reason for that. It is because we have stopped remembering what we stand on and what we stand for. We probably have let other people tell us what we should be standing for and standing on. Or we started to let people know what we stand on and what we stand for, and nobody seemed to pay attention. So we thought, well, that's not what they want. It's usually one of those two things that drains the battery so we don't have that powerful charge to light ourselves up so that people see the light shining within us. See, that's what attracts our audience to us, is when they can see our light, when they know we are powerfully brilliant, lit up from the inside about what it is we have to share. And what is usually happening is that entrepreneurs say they can serve other people, but they're so concerned about whether people are listening to them or not, whether people are buying from them or not, that the attention's all on themselves. Like, instead of the light going out, the light is turning back inside. Nobody can see it. Those that are looking for a safe harbor, it doesn't look like there's anybody home. So they go on to a place that's powerfully lit up. And yes, I'm using the same metaphor all the time because that's how it feels internally. If you've been told that the only secret to making sales is people have to know you, like you, and trust you, well, that's part of it, but it's not all of it, because if it was, everybody would be making all the sales they ever want every day, all day long. What determines it is the power of your light. And if you don't know how to activate that, to turn it on, then I'm inviting you to have one session with me, because that's all it requires. One 20-minute activation session, and you will always know what you stand on, what you stand for, and how to shine the light, where to shine, and how to share and shine the light, so that people do want to come to you on your lighthouse path. I'm Stacey Hall, wishing you an abundance of sales, satisfaction, and success today, every month, every year, for all the years to come, because a lighthouse leaves that legacy year after year after year.